After watching Moonlight Jewel's videos, I got inspired to make ball-jointed dolls myself because I like posable action figures. But now that they're done, I have no idea what I should call them. Or do you think it's too cursed to give them a name? This is my second custom ball-jointed doll, based mainly on the 1/3 BJD from Thingiverse, but modified with parts from the Polaris BJD. I changed the head based on a Nier Automata 2B that I found on Thanks. It is printed in a red PLA that is locally recycled. The overalls is from the Enchantarium web store. I made the full version of the overalls but then ended up cutting off the legs. The sweater is made from several old socks in a simple raglan pattern. The neck hole was way too loose, but it hides well among the hair. The hair is from 2 or 3 different colors of embroidery yarn. I knotted them onto a wire and attached them to the skull. The shoes are printed in white and black washed a little bit. The face is painted in acrylic with a bit of clear lacquer for extra shine on the eyes, mouth and eyebrows. So, what do you think a good name would be?